Calling all compassionate sports enthusiasts. Cedarville University's Sport Medicine degree program is your perfect first step into the field of athletic training and other areas of allied health. This one-of-a-kind program will offer you a solid science foundation paired with biblical integration in every course. In your Cedarville courses, you'll gain a solid understanding of injury assessment, treatment, and more, all while learning to serve your patients with Christ-like compassion. You'll learn in world-class facilities and be mentored by Christian faculty who are dedicated to helping you succeed. These same faculty members will help you navigate the process of gaining acceptance into graduate programs if your healthcare calling requires further study. Your degree will open the door for you for graduate study to become an occupational therapist, physical therapist, athletic trainer, and more. If you're pursuing an athletic training career, you can pair your bachelor's degree with Cedarville's Master of Athletic Training program and complete both degrees in just 5 years. These degrees will prepare you well to pass the Board of Certification National Exam. If you want to combine a love of sport with the art of healing, Cedarville's Sport Medicine program could be an excellent first step for you.